What if I told you that one of Tesla's most important acquisitions was being completed mostly behind the scenes, in the dark? Welcome to Electrified. On January 3rd, 2017, Tesla completed their acquisition of Grohmann Engineering, now Tesla Grohmann Automation, a 700-employee German company that specializes in the design, development, and sale of automated manufacturing systems for $109.5 million in cash. Tesla acquired Grohmann to improve the speed and efficiency of their manufacturing processes.
We've realized that the true problem, the true difficulty, and where the greatest potential is building the machine that makes the machine. In other words, building the factory. And really thinking of the factory like a product.
At the time of acquisition, Tesla entered into an incentive compensation arrangement for up to a maximum of $25.8 million of payments contingent upon continued service for 36 months after the acquisition date. However, at the end of Q1 2017, Tesla terminated the incentive compensation arrangement and accelerated all payments. As a result, Tesla recorded the entire $25.8 million as compensation expense during Q1 2017, which was included in their SG&A expenses. Tesla was actually a client of Grohmann Engineering before they decided to buy the company. Shortly after the acquisition, Klaus Grohmann, founder of Grohmann Engineering, was ousted from the company after a disagreement with Elon Musk. Grohmann reportedly disagreed with Elon over how to handle his firm's legacy clients, which included Tesla competitors like Daimler and BMW. Elon wanted the German manufacturing facility to focus solely on building machines for Tesla vehicles, which meant dropping all other clients. Klaus Grohmann was quoted saying, "I definitely did not depart because I had lost interest in working." He chose not to elaborate any further. A Tesla spokesman, when asked about Grohmann's departure, praised him for building an incredible company and said, "Part of Mr. Grohmann's decision to work with Tesla was to prepare for his retirement and to leave the company in capable hands for the future. Given the change in focus to Tesla projects, we mutually decided that it was the right time for the next generation of management to lead." After the departure of Klaus, the employees wanted to unionize as they were concerned about their job security moving forward with only one client, Tesla. In response, Elon wrote a letter to the employees, which I'll link in the description below. Here are a few highlights from the letter. Quote, "Tesla is unlike most other companies. Unlike others, the existence of Tesla is not only to make money. If it were only about this one goal, then I can tell you that the founding of a completely new car manufacturer would definitely not have been the smartest way. The foundation of everything we do is to accelerate the advent of sustainable energy. The welfare of our planet is in great danger, and in order to solve this problem, we need sustainable solar energy production, a sustainable way to store the energy in stationary batteries, and we need a sustainable way to consume this energy with electric vehicles. It's critical for the future of humanity to solve this problem. We all want a better world for future generations. Although it's not what drives us, Tesla has real potential to be one of the most valuable companies in the world. We bought Tesla Grohmann because we believe that Tesla Grohmann will play an important role in creating this future. It's not enough to produce cool products. To be successful, we need factories that are as good as the products themselves." End quote. Elon then went over compensation details for the employees, ensuring job security and future growth prospects. Each employee was to receive around $11,000 worth of Tesla shares and an immediate cash bonus of $1,100. Elon also mentioned upgrades to the working facility and parity between supervisors and employees, highlighting how the supervisors are there to serve the employees and not the other way around. At the end of 2018, it was reported that the Grohmann machines are not only intended to improve efficiencies for vehicle production, but they'll also enable battery production at 3 times the current rate and for 1/3 of the cost of today's modules. That would mean going from 6,000 battery packs per week to 8,000 at a fraction of the cost. This is yet another in a long list of impressive competitive advantages for Tesla.
What's happening is what I have predicted for the last 3 years is finally coming to pass. Is everybody in the global automobile industry is going to be offering high quality, high technology, high range electric vehicles, and Tesla has no advantage, no technological advantage, no software advantage, no battery advantage, no advantages whatsoever.
How are you feeling today, Bob? What a Toward the end of 2018, Elon tweeted, "2170 is about the right cell size, but I don't recommend copying our current module design. Far too difficult to manufacture." If you're unaware, Tesla uses 2170 lithium-ion cells in the Model 3 compared with the 18650 cells used in the Model S and X, which stretches the length of the cell from 65 millimeters to 70 and increases the diameter of the cell from 18 millimeters to 21. This is yet another indication that there may be some major changes happening at Battery Investor Day, which should be taking place in the next few months. There hasn't been much reporting as of late when it comes to Tesla Grohmann Automation. The website has little information, but there are job postings listed. It's obvious that major manufacturing changes take time to implement, and these new machines building machines won't garner a ton of press, but they're ridiculously important to the pace of innovation and production for Tesla. Machines have already been shipped to Gigafactory 1 at the end of 2018, and others are most likely to be used at G3 and will certainly be implemented at G4 in Germany when it comes online. While this acquisition garners minimal press, it is quite possibly one of the most important and impactful acquisitions for the long-term growth of Tesla, as Elon mentioned. You're now more informed on this matter than 95% of the so-called industry analysts. Thanks for watching. I hope I've earned a like, a comment, and a subscription. If not, please tell me what I can do to improve for future videos. I'll see you next time.
It's like, wow, there's crazy potential for improvement here. I think at least an order of magnitude potential for improvement on production. And so with less, like significantly less engineering effort, we can make dramatic improvements to the machine that makes the machine.